Alright, hey you guys, it's Bad Badger. Today we're doing a Lego video. Alright, so here are the pieces that you're mainly gonna need. One of these, I forgot what they're called. A flat 4x4, a flat 2x3, one of these, or as many as you need. A 2x4, any color. By the way, these are of any color that you want to use. One of these. Forgot what they're called as well. Oh Lord. Oh yeah, and then one of these. And then 2x2s of any coloring. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make torso. Right, so this is what it looks like so far. Then here we go. Alright, that's the torso. By the way, this is like an exoskeleton or whatever. Anyways, now that that's out of the way, we're gonna move on to the arms. Now, I want to do them like this. Make sure that when you finish, they look like this. Alright, then we're going to move on to the lower, like to the hands. Alright, boom. Oh Lord. Make sure you connect them right here. It's going to be the hand. Alright, move that over there. Alright, next we're going to be doing the lower area. The torso. I'm going to grab a 2x4. You're going to place one of these on here. And then you're going to take one of these, or two of them, or like, you're going to put them like this. Boom, that's the lower area done. On to the legs. So I'm going to grab 2x4s. Alright, so it's going to be like this. And like this. And you're going to want two of these. So that would mean alright, so like this. And then here's what's next. You're going to take one of these. You're going to put them on 2x3 like this. Alright, then you're going to take another 2x3. You're going to put it like this. Alright, and then you're going to take this piece. You're going to put it like this. Alright. It's going to go over there. And then, same thing for this as well. Alright, and then next we're going to put it like this. Hold on. Alright. So when you finish, legs are going to look like this. Alright, and then the last is the head. It's real simple. Alright, here's what you got to do. You got to take this piece. I forgot to mention this piece earlier. Oh. Then you gotta put it onto this 4x4. And now we have all of the pieces. All right. Alright, then you're going to take this area, you're going to put it like this. Alright, so this is how it's looking so far. It's looking real technical, but it's alright. Oh lord. Alright, this is going to require 2 hands, so I'm just going to